Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Banana is propagated by, your right answer is suckers, option D. How is the river Ganga called in Bangladesh? Your right answer is Padma, option B. With which of the following is Article 21A of Indian Constitution associated? Your right answer is right to education, option D. Transition metal are often paramagnetic owing to, your right answer is presence of unpaired electrons, option D. An imaginary straight line passing through the two center of curvature and the optic center of the lens is called, your right answer is principal axis, option A. Which of the following alloy contain mercury as one of its constituent? Your right answer is zinc amalgam, option D. The element in the compound potassium sulfate are, your right answer is all of the option D. The pH, what is the pH of basic solution? Your right answer is greater than 7, option A. An example for a vector quantity is, your right answer is momentum, option A. Which of these organ is not vestigial? Your right answer is brain, option A. What is the SI unit of wavelength? Your right answer is meter, option D. Who among the following was appointed the ambassador of India to Maldives in 2019? Your right answer is Sanjay Sudhir, option B. Which force is exerted by liquids on object moving through them? Your right answer is frictional force, option D. If the two words of a scientific name are similar, the name is said to be, your right answer is tautonym, option C. Which state government has recently launched the Nirman Kusuma program? Your right answer is Odisha, option C. When did the term sustainable development come into existence? Your right answer is 1987, option A. Earthquake produces dash waves before the main shock waves which alert some animals. Your right answer is infrasound, option D. What is the harmful chemical present in tobacco? Your right answer is nicotine, option C. Which of the following fruits has high potassium content? Your right answer is banana, option D. With which of the following sports is Tiger Woods associated? Your right answer is golf, option D. The pH of a solution depends on its dash concentration. Your right answer is hydronium ions, option D. Which of the following bank has launched the NRI Insta Online account opening process for NRI in 2019? Your right answer is IDBI Bank, option B. Zika vac is the first vaccine for Zika virus unveiled by, your right answer is Bharat Biotech India. Option B. Dash is the official language of Jharkhand. Your right answer is Hindi. Option B. The chemical properties of the member of the homologous series are. Your right answer is similar. Option B. The mass of an atom reside in dash of the atoms. Your right answer is nucleus. Option A. Which organization original name was Special Police Establishment? Your right answer is CBI. Option C. What is the relative density of a substance? Your right answer is density of substance by density of water. Option C. Why is nichrome alloy used for making heating element of electrical appliance such as electric iron, toaster, etc.? Your right answer is all of the options. Option D. In which of the following reaction are two different atoms or groups of atoms, ions exchanged? Your right answer is double displacement. Option D. The prolongation of the backbone belong the trunk of the body is called the. Your right answer is tail. Option D. Separation of judiciary from the executive has been provided in which of the following parts of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is DPSP, the Directive Principle of State Policy. Option C. Writing with pen or pencil needs which force? Your right answer is friction. Option A. Which of the following gate was constructed in memory of the soldiers who died in World War I? Your right answer is India Gate. Option C. Who among the following won gold medal in the 54 kg at the Boxing World Cup in Cologne 2019? Your right answer is Meena Kumari. Option A. In which of the following state is the city of Itanagar located? Your right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Option A. Cobalamin is also called. Your right answer is vitamin B12. Option B. Find the odd one out from the given option. Deer, bear, goat, donkey. Your right answer is bear. Option B. Most hazardous metal pollutant of the automobile exhaust is. Your right answer is lead. Pb. Option C. When electric charge flow through a metallic wire, the wire is called. Your right answer is conductor. Option B. Gypsum has dash water molecules as water of crystallization. Your right answer is 2. Option A. Any plant adapt to life in a dry or physiologically dry habitat is. Your right answer is xerophyte. Option C. The third orbit is represented as dash cell. Your right answer is M cell. Option D. Which of the following metal cannot be extracted by carbon reduction process? Your right answer is aluminum. Option D. What is the region of heat energy of hot rock present inside the earth? Your right answer is fission of radioactive material present inside rock. Option D. Who was the first chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Your right answer is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Option C. Which of these number is not a sum of two squares? Your right answer is 23. Option C. The symbol of Avogadro number is, your right answer is Na. Option C. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Have a nice day. Bye bye.